In this video, we're going to explore your why you're getting into the business side of tech. And we're going to go over some common types of business very slightly, and then we're going to give you a tiny bit of an exercise. So there are different motivators for getting into this. You can make more money as an SEO, as a CEO or a founder than you might make as an engineer in terms of potential. You might just want freedom to work on your projects, and you want to break out of the 9 to 5 job. Maybe you want a different intellectual challenge because I know you're good at problem solving, but maybe you want to think about business and how to, because business sometimes, it moves the world around, different business situations, they create changes in the global structures and things like that. So maybe you just want bigger challenges to work on. That's a thing. And maybe sometimes you just don't want to get left behind in marketing conversations. If your friends are like, I have a business idea, and they're like, oh, go promote it on Instagram, go promote it on Facebook, and you feel like you don't really know, you can't add to that conversation, and you feel a little bit of like low confidence, maybe this course will definitely help you with that. And you maybe just actually have your own unique idea that you want to turn into a business, and you don't know how, and this is really the place where it's a good place to start. Now, if I didn't get your motivator, please make a comment in the comment section of this course, in the conversation comment area of this course, and let me know so that I can improve the course, and I can address your situation. Now, there are a few types of common things people build. Engineers build games, game apps. Sometimes engineers want to just get a freelancing business going. Sometimes you want to teach engineering. That's really popular online. Or sometimes you build some B2B software or B2C software that you don't know how to get people to start using it. I'll throughout the course, I'll give examples of doing things for such businesses. But if it's not one of you, if these are not your business, please also comment in the discussion area of the course and let me know so I can cover that in future videos when I update the course. And I do update my courses often, so I will take note, and I will make sure that the course does satisfy you. And of course, if the course doesn't satisfy your unique situation now, making a comment in the course area, the course discussion area, is the best place for me so I can come in and I can actually say, hey, for your specific business, here are my suggestions, here's what's important. So that's what I really would like you to do as your exercise. Is if I didn't hit your motivator, or if I didn't hit your reason why, the kind of business that you want to start, please, that your first exercise is to actually just comment in the course so that I can know how to improve the course for you and future students.